2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, four-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, climate control, power door locks, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.